with AIA. I'm so excited to show you June's AIA Beauty Bundle featuring Lurella Cosmetics. Today I'll be getting glammed with everything you see in this bundle. So let's get started. So first things first, before I applied my makeup, I went ahead and cleansed my face using this facial exfoliator. So this is a dual-sided scrubber that gently and deeply cleanses your pores. To use a scrubber, what you do is go ahead and wet it, apply your favorite cleanser, then work up a lather while scrubbing your face. It's so easy to use and creates a perfect base for your makeup. So I went ahead and finished my base makeup off camera, and now we're gonna go ahead and create this look. This is the Va Va Voom eyeshadow palette. Definitely loving all the different shades that you have. We've got lots of mattes, we've got some perfect base. All these glitter toppers, they're just gonna be so gorgeous. So to create this look, we're gonna be using this amazing neon brush set. This 10-piece set includes one flat buffer brush, a round powder brush, an angled cheek brush, a highlight brush, one blender brush, a small blending brush, a flat packer brush, one crease brush, a rounded crease brush, and the eyebrow duo. This look, I'll be using these Lurella lashes applied using this special applicator. This applicator makes applying lashes so much easier. To trim these lashes to size, I'll be using these special lash scissors. So I will be applying the eyelashes using Lurella's Everlasting Eyelash Glue. For this glue, you'll need to let it get tacky before applying your lashes. This lash glue has a precision lash wand, and it allows for easy mess-free application. This eyelash glue is fast drying, long lasting, and latex free. To add some glow, I'm gonna go in with the Lurella highlighter. This is in the shade Bougie, which is a rich rose gold color. Last but not least, we'll be finishing off the look with this liquid lipstick. This shade is in the color Posh, which is a gorgeous peachy pink. This velvety lipstick is highly pigmented. It's long-lasting, smudge-resistant, and will last for hours. Thank you so much for watching. To subscribe for AIA's Beauty Bundle, make sure to visit AIABeautyBundle.com. Thanks for watching.